Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. Alright, first thing we're going to do is pick up the battery and put it into its location right down here. And there's also little holes down here where we're going to put in the hooks to clamp down on the battery. So once you remove or you install the battery in there, just pull this positive cable up and you're able to put it in there. Once it's in there, you'll grab this clamp here. You'll bring it down right into here and slide them into the holes down in there. Kind of hard to see. Then you bring this up just so it doesn't fall out of there. Then you do the same thing with the other side over here. Alright, and there we have it. And we're going to use a 10mm socket. Just past it. There it is, 10, to secure these down. Perfect. Now we'll put in the positive terminal in first. Wiggle that down all the way, and that's going to go right in there. Then we'll grab our negative terminal, just wiggle it all the way down. Sweet. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket as well to secure this down. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Sweet. And same thing for the negative side. Alright, perfect. And you are set. And that is how you install battery on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.